What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you another 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on, and I'm trying to get a whitelist spot for all of them, and I think actually one of them is going to do very well. But before I show you the projects, I just have to state something as usual. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into any NFT projects or cryptocurrency projects. So the first project that I'm keeping my eye on, it's called Wastelands.cult chapter 2. So they already have first collection or chapter 1 collection out, and now they're working on a second one, and at the time of recording this video they have almost 27,000 followers and it's getting decent engagement. But like for example on this Twitter post they have quite a bit of engagement. It's because due to pre-mint link, one of the requirements is to like and retweet, but still if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting a little bit of engagement on their Twitter post, and they're actually going to be minting on January 22nd. So if you're going to watch this video after the 22nd, then the only way to get it is on OpenSea. And as you can see right here, whitelist free mint, and then mint price 0.005. This is just, I'm assuming, for public mint, and they have a Discord and their website. Then the second project, it's called Taiku, free mint, January 25th, and I think they made a mistake here, or maybe they did on purpose, I'm not sure. Free mint, it's not super high project, they don't really have that many followers, and as you can see, like this one got a lot of engagement on the Twitter post, but again this is due to the pre-mint link or maybe alphabot link from their collabs that they're doing. This is part of a requirement, and then if we scroll down more, as you can see, it's getting just a little bit of engagement. So I'm not exactly sure how this project is gonna do, but once they're gonna start minting, it's always good to watch and see on OpenSea and on Etherscan how they're actually selling out and if there's gonna be any volume on OpenSea. And then the last project, it's called Lost Realms, free mint. And I think this project was not a free mint, if I'm not mistaken. They made a free mint, and this is very high project. They already have a Discord, they have 40,000 followers, and if we scroll down, it looks like they're partnering with the Gajira project, and then scroll down more, as you can see some other Kaiju Kings, and most likely with some other NFT alpha groups they're partnering as well. So this is another one I think has a huge potential. I think it's going to be very hyped, and I would really try to get a whitelist spot for this specific mint. And this is pretty much it. And if you found this video helpful, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.